YouTube, and good morning. I know it's been a while. Just been working a lot for the holidays. So I got in the YOFER V2s and V3s front and side skirts. Pretty much going to change the whole look for my Honda Civic Hatchback Sport 2022 11th gen. I know I said that backwards, but who cares? So this is how my car looks like previously. Pretty much you guys saw it on the previous videos I uploaded. And I know you guys watch a lot of like how to install, so I'm just gonna unbox it and install it real quick. Yeah, so let's get it. So I just got done installing the YOFER side skirts and front lip. I'm just heading to a spot right now to take some small short videos. Pretty traffic today. I didn't get to wash my car because it's gonna rain tomorrow.